You've created an Instagram reel and you want to share it with somebody who is not on Instagram. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you some options of how you can share your Instagram reels off of Instagram. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. So if I want to share my Instagram Reel with somebody that's not on Instagram, the first thing I need to do is get my Instagram Reel onto my phone. And to do that, I'm first going to go into my feed. So here is my feed. I'm going to select my reel. And now I'm going to click on this paper airplane on the bottom. And then I'm going to have options. So I can just send this to somebody that already is on Instagram, or I can download it. I can also copy the link, but if you have a private account like I do, copying the link is not really going to help you if somebody else doesn't already have access to your Instagram. So you could just share it with them if they do have access to it. So to download it onto your computer, you're going to press that download button. And you're just going to wait for it to download. Finish downloading. Perfect. And now I can go over to my photos. You can see I've done this a couple times. Just select any of the videos and I have it. It's going to have my Instagram handle and the song I used on it appear on the side there. You can get rid of that with an editing app, but I'm not going to show you how to do that in this. This is just to share it with the logo. Now that I have the song, click on the video itself, go next, and then here this allows me to either message it to somebody, I can airdrop it if their phone is close, or I can email it to them. And then they will receive that Instagram reel. You can also access other apps. So if you go to more, and if you want to use WhatsApp or Google Drive or Gmail, they're all available here. It depends on which apps you have on your phone. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace!